is a big challenge, but don't worry. Hold my hands. Believe in me, and the success will be yours. Myself, Animesh Roy, motivational guru and business coach. Today I am here in front of you to help you to overcome obstacles in life and walk on the path of success with right conviction, dedication and hard work. You can achieve success in life. Come, believe in me, connect with me, and the world of success will be yours. Let me tell the mantra of success for you. Belief system plus realistic goal plus motivation plus dedication plus monitoring is equal to success. But before elaborating on that, I want to say, forget about success. Instead, think about failure. Learn from your past mistake. Work on it so that you can win the race in the competitive world with ease. You should know that 90% of the people fail early in life because they never set realistic goal or make right resolution in life. In many cases, lack of goal setting is one reason why people fail early in life and have a hard time succeeding in life. Goal setting helps you get a clear perspective of what you want to achieve. Most of us are scared of failures and hence we never try. We think that what will happen if we fail? Our relatives and friends will make fun of us. Failure will show us in a very poor light. If you think negatively, you will never able to achieve success. You should think positively and push yourself to perform at level best. When you try, you have the chances of winning a competition. Do you know Thomas Edison failed 10,000 times to invent a light bulb? Once Thomas Edison famously said, and I quote, "I have not failed, I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Britain Prime Minister Winston S. Churchill once said that success is not the final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. It means that you should never consider failure as a fatal. You should learn from past failures and find the reason for failing in different sphere of life. You should not scared of failures, instead work on it religiously to achieve success. There are many reasons for failure. One of the most common reasons for failure is the lack of motivation or interest. See, if you have chalked out your goal for exam, job for whole year, you will never be able to achieve it unless you are motivated. Most of us fail in life despite being intelligent because we don't have the interest or gel to excel. We lack the fire in our belly. So now the big question is how we can get motivated. There are many ways you can be motivated. First of all, you should do things that can easily motivate you to perform exceedingly well. All of us get motivated, but not for the same thing or reason. The things and reason are in fact different. To get motivated, firstly, always be with good people who are determined to do something in life. You always get positive vibes from them and will inspire you to do big things in life. Always use positive sentence to motivate yourself. You should repeat positive sentence daily, like I can do it, I will do it, I want to achieve it, I want to learn and succeed, I will become a professional. Next thing you should do is to learn how to set realistic goals. Many research have shown that one of the best ways to increase your motivational level is to learn how to set realistic goals. For example, make a goal that you will do one push-up a daily. In fact, it is easy to achieve the goal daily. Once you start doing it daily, you will feel better and take pride that you are achieving your goal daily. When you feel good about it, you will get motivated and start doing more push-ups. A sense of joy and pride will motivate you to raise the bar, and the end result will be very good for you. All of you must be aware of the inspiring story of Ornima Sinha, a national level volleyball player who was thrown out of a running train by some robbers. She was seriously injured and she lost one of her legs, but she did not feel helpless. Instead, she decided to fight back and take on the challenges of life. She started mountaineering with a prosthetic leg. With her determination and hard work, she became the first woman to climb Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world. So friends, she succeeded because she believed in herself and never thought of what others will say. She was determined to prove herself and choose a very difficult task to prove that there is no word like impossible. Everything is possible. The word impossible says that I am possible. So if you want to achieve success, you should believe in your potential, find things to motivate yourself, and once you are motivated, you will work hard on daily basis to achieve it. Set up a realistic goal so that your motivational level remains intact. With strong determination, you will be able to achieve your set deadlines. Initially, things can be tough for you, so you should always monitor your progress, and if you are off the mark on a particular day, you can cover it up on the next day. Dear friends, when you are fully motivated and highly determined that nothing can stop you from achieving your set goals, always believe in yourself that you can do anything and keep reminding yourself so that the fire in your belly remains ignited for the rest of your life. Thanks for watching my video. If you have liked it, so please do share with your friends, colleagues as much as you can. Animesh Roy, Motivational Guru and Business Coach.